Welcome to our guide on how to delete a message for everyone in a Telegram group chat on PC. Let's walk through the steps to efficiently manage your messages and ensure they are deleted for all members in the group conversation. Step 1. Start by opening telegram.com on your PC to access your Telegram account and group chats. Step 2. Open the specific group conversation where the message you want to delete is located. Step 3. Next, locate the message you wish to remove. Hover your mouse over it and right-click to reveal additional options. Step 4. Select Delete Message from the options that appear after right-clicking on the message. Step 5. In the pop-up window that appears, make sure to check the option Also Delete For to delete the message for all participants in the group chat. Step 6. Finally, click on Delete to confirm and permanently remove the message for everyone in the group conversation. By following these steps, you can easily delete a message for everyone in a Telegram group chat on your PC. Deleting messages for all members helps maintain confidentiality and control over your group discussions. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you effectively manage your messages and delete them for everyone in the group chat on Telegram on PC. Enjoy a more secure and private group messaging experience by utilizing the message deletion feature in Telegram.